drew you to Notion, maybe kind of how long you've been using it.
Yeah, so my name is Theresa. I'm a yoga teacher, meditation teacher. I studied psychology in school, so all these things kind of were always on my mind for a while. And I've always been drawn to productivity systems and seeing what works for people and what doesn't. And I've been bullet journaling for years. And I don't even know how I came to Notion. But once I realized what it does, I was super excited because it was kind of my option to build my bullet journal in a more sustainable way, because I tried to use less plastic and less paper and less resources in every kind. And I had a notebook problem, bought all the notebooks. So now I don't even own notebooks anymore. I just have one scrap pad.